student, good morning. So where I left in the last problem, I left truth table, construct the truth table of the following statement. So fifth one. So that is nothing. Any doubts asked in the comment or asked through call. So to fifth one, fourth construct the truth table. First one is I am doing. So second and third is for homework. Okay, na? So fifth one, in the fifth one problem, there are three statement is given. Okay, na? So using that statement, we have to construct the truth table. That is, the fifth problem is P R Q. If and only if R Q. Okay, P R Q. If and only if R Q. So by observing this problem, we getting an idea which are those statements. Okay, na? So how much statements is given in the given proposition. Okay, here P, Q and R, those are three statements. Okay, three propositions. That is like statement or proposition, anything you call. So by giving three proposition, how we construct a truth table? Yes, like in P statements, there are four truth values: P, Q, R. So first we have to write this one. So truth, 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 false, 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 false. Enough. So then Q statement. So two are truth statement and two are false statement. Again that is repeated. So truth, truth, false, false, truth, truth, false, false. Next alternate. Truth, false, truth, false, truth, false, truth, false. This is the writing system in when they are given three proposition, that is three statements. So three statements ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಈ type ಅಲ್ಲಿ truth values ಬರ್ಕೊಡೋದು. In any proposition they are given, if they have given three statements, then only you write. If it will give two statements, as usual, two true, two false, and in Q statement alternate true false, true false. So next observe. First we have to do P R Q. Next R Q. After that we have like double implication. So first P R Q. Then second is R Q. At the last column is P R Q. If and only if R Q. Okay. Yes, constant. In the R means it is the disjunction statement. Disjunction statement, what is the truth values? Yes, if both are false, ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. P R Q. In P R Q, so if both are false statements, then only it is false, otherwise it is true. So then P R Q, true, 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 false is true, true, false, true, false, true, true, false, true, true, false, 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 false. Next R Q, true, 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 false, true, 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 is false. R Q. R Q, true, false, true, true, false, 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 true, false, true, true, false, false. So next double implication. Both are true and both are false, then only it is false. So okay. So P R Q, this one statement, and double implication of this one statement. true, 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 false, false, true, true, false, true, false. Okay, so this is the method of construct the truth table. If you know the types of, if you know the truth table of conjunction, disjunction, negation, implication, double implication, then it is easy to construct the truth table. It is for 5 marks question. Okay, next question. It is maybe sixth question. So it is fifth one is left. It is one of the. It is sixth main like. Okay. Next for this problem, if P, Q and R are propositions with the values, they are given the values. Okay. With the values false, true and false respectively. Write the truth value of so there are given 3 problems. P R Q implies R. Second one, P R R and Q implies R. Third, P implies if and only R implies R. Okay. Yes. So I will show first and second one. Okay. So third is for homework. So which are the problems I am giving for homework? Those are all for assignment. So because in totally 100 marks, in that 100 marks you get 20 marks for internals. In that what 10 marks is for, in 10 marks 5 plus 5. 5 for attendance and 5 for assignment. So for that what are the problems I am giving for homework? Those are all you have to write in assignment. Okay, from today also. Okay, ಇವತ್ತಿಂದನೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ ಸಮ್ ಹಾರ್ಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ನ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್. Okay, take first one. So just they are given what if P, Q and R are the 3 propositions with the values, they are given those values. P for false value, Q for true values, R for false value. So we have to take those values only, not of these values. Okay, ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು, ಎಲ್ಲೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೋ ಅದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ನ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆ ಟೈಮ್ಲಿ you have to construct the truth tables. So first you have the P, Q, R. Okay. So in first problem what they are given P, R, Q. So next at the end P, R, Q implies R. So P for false value, Q for true values and R for false value. So when applying P R Q, so P R Q false true. What happened? As true value. Next P R Q and implies R. First one is true value, second one is false. Then obviously it is false. Okay, like this. Okay, now next go for second problem. So I will show in this video, in this problem only. Yes. So first is P R R. P R R. And the second one is Q implies R. So Q implies R. And the third is, the last column is what? P R R and Q implies R. Okay. So now this, because P R R is P R R, it is false and it is also a false. Then it is false. Next, Q implies R. Q implies R means Q implies R. True value, it is false value. Then it is false value. Next is P R R here, and that is negation, sorry, conjunction. Conjunction of Q implies R. So both are false value. Then it is false. Okay. Third one is for you. Yes, next problem. A certain compound propositions, a certain compound proposition, P and Q implies R negation of S is now to be false. They are given in the question. Okay, this whole proposition is to be false. We have to find out this component values. Okay, P, Q, and R and S value. So it ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಇಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಗೆ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಾವೇ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು P Q ಆ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. S is known to be false. Is known to be false. Find the truth values of the proposition P, Q and R. Okay, P, Q and R. The implication, okay, this is the question. Next solution. Okay, now understand the problem. Yes, this is the whole statement is to be false. Okay, given compound statement is false or given proposition is false. So we have to find the root values of P, Q, R and also S is the S, that is P, Q, R and S. Okay, these four values, we have to find these four values. So first observe. So here is the implication statement. Okay, in implication statement, first look for it. So P given P and Q implies R negation S. It is to be false. Okay, so this is false. This is false ante koಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. So ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ನಾನು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದ್ರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಯಾವುದು ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇದೆ? ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. ಸೊ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಇದು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಇದು ಟ್ರೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಇದು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಗಬೇಕು. So then P R Q is true value ಆಗಬೇಕು. So then R negation S is false value ಆಗಬೇಕು. Then only the implication statement true false is false. So again observe. So this is AND statement. When these two are get to be truth values, yes. So in AND statement, so P is true value and Q is also a true value. Then only P equals to true, Q equals to true. Then only the given conjunction statement is true. Okay. So it come for this one. Or negation of yes. So false value. False value ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ yes both are false ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ false ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ false ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ r equals to ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ false ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ s equals to true ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. negation of s ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ it is false. Then false and false, if both are false statement, then it is false statement. So last conclusion, therefore p q r the truth value, this is t p, that is truth value of p q r and s is, so p for t true value, so q true, R F, and you observe not negation of S. It is only S. Okay. This is for two more questions. Okay. Yes. Getting. I will give one extra problem. Same problem. Same if the compound proposition negation of or negation of S implies negation of P or Q. P and Q is now to be is given to be a false value. Same question, just it is changed. Proposition is changed. So you have to find the truth values for this proposition. Okay? In the same manner. So here also implication between these two proposition implication is given. So using that you have to work out. So in this chapter there is not much difficult problem is not arised in this chapter. A little bit changes only have to do. Okay? So are we getting the construction of truth tables? Yes, at the last overall completion of syllabus, I will give in the repetition time of question paper, I will show extra problems of construction of truth tables. Those are okay. So just you are not understanding by showing these some examples or some problem. As I will do some more problems. Okay. You know problems ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾನೆ extra problems. Because maths syllabus is not thoroughly completed. It's impossible. Okay, some statement. Prove that for the statement P or negation of P is always false. Same as this. So P statement, this is AND statement. Okay, P and negation of P anta ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. AND statement ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೂ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟ್ರೂ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹೀಗೆ ಹೇಳಿರೋದು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪಿಗೆ ಟ್ರೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನೆಗೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ಗೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ P equals to true. Negation of P is false. Therefore true and false, that is false. Second, P or negation, P or negation. In this it is given true. It is true. Yes. So true case ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಎರಡು ಟ್ರೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಸಾರಿ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಕಾಪಿ ಆಗಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಟ್ರೂ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ವೆನ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ this complete the so next topic is logical equivalence. Okay, understood this one? Yes. Next, this is the basic problems by using types of proposition. So after this one we have to now logical equivalence. Based on this also we have to solve some 5 marks problems. Logical equivalence. So as the name itself indicates, equivalence means equal. Okay na? So now we have two different propositions and ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದರ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅಟ್ ದ ಎಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಪೋಸಿಷನ್ಸ್ದು ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಿವ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು 10 ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಫ್ ನೆಗೇಷನ್ ಅದನ್ನು. ಸೊ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ table of two proposition by understanding purpose. Right, consider the two propositions, the table of two propositions. Those two propositions are negation of P or Q and negation of P and negation of Q. Negation of P and negation of Q. So construct the truth table. So only the two statements is given. So P, Q, first you have to make P or Q after negation of P or Q. Negation is for whole thing, that is P or Q. True, true, false, false. Okay, yes. So Q, true, false, true, false. So P or Q. So true, 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 false. So negation opposite of this one. So false, 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 true. Yes. Same construct for this one. P, Q, first negation P, after negation Q, then negation P and negation Q. True, true, false, false, true, false, true, false. Negation of P is false, false, true, true. Negation of Q, false, true, false, true. Here is and conjunction statement is given. So negation of P and negation of Q. So negation of P, negation of Q, both are false. False, false, true, false, false, true, false. It is observing this statement, this proposition. So observe the last column of these two propositions. So truth values are different, okay, in this proposition and in this proposition. So truth values are different. So here is negation P and negation Q. Here only P or Q. Okay. So these truth values are different combinations of truth values here. But at the last column, what will be the result? Yes. So false, 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 true. Here also false, 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 true. Yeah. So both are same. So this is said to be what? Logical equivalence. A type of logical equivalence. Ivistu statement and how the negation of P or Q. This is equivalent to. So these three lines ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನು ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಿವ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್. ಯಾವುದೇ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಿವ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ನಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಈ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು, ಈ 3 ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆಯಿತಾ? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ದ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಿವ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಗೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ P and Q. Sorry, P or Q. So when we apply negation inside of this problem. Okay, after negation is conjunction is disjunction is converted to this conjunction, and if their conjunction is converted to disjunction, negation of P or negation of, okay, S. So definition take a two compound proposition involving same components are said to be logically equivalent. If their truth values are same for different combination of the truth values of their components involved in them. This is the definition for different combinations of the root values. These are different combinations of root values. So those are all same for different combinations of the root values of their components involved in them. This is the definition for logically equivalent statement. Standard logically equivalent statements. So one by one write. Logically equivalent statement. So P or P is equivalent to P. P and P is equivalent to P. This is idempotent law. Next, second, negation of P is equivalent to P. Double negation. Third, commutative PRQ is equivalent to Q or P, and applying for unstatement P and Q and P. Commutative law. Next, fourth for associative PRQ RR is equivalent to PR QRR. Next, P and Q and R is equivalent to P and Q and R. This is associative. Next is distributive. Fifth one, distributive. P and Q R R. This is equivalent to P R Q and P R R. P and Q R R. So P and Q R, P R R. Sorry, P and R. Distributive law. Next, sixth one. De Morgan's law. Negation of P and Q is equivalent to negation of P or negation of Q. Okay. De Morgan's. Negation of P or Q and Q is equivalent to negation of P and or negation of De Morgan's law. Next, seventh one. Negation of P plus Q. So when negation of P plus Q, this is equal to, ಇಲ್ಲಿ negation ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಬರಬೇಕು P, ಇಲ್ಲಿ R ಬರಬೇಕು and ಬರಬೇಕು negation of Q ಬರಬೇಕು. So this is one of the implication. Just P plus Q ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ this is also equals to negation of P or Q. Next one, ninth, P implies Q or R. So this is equals to P implies Q and P implies R. Okay. And for 10th, negation of P in front of the Q. This is equals to P in front of the negation. So these are the 10 important standard formulas. Okay, these are used in construction of truth table and negation of the given negation of the following statement.